Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by securing the shaft so forces won't twist the grip or bend the tip. Clamp the shaft in a padded vise about 6 to 8 inches from the butt. Make sure the head hangs free. You protect the crown with a cloth or foam so heat won't scorch the finish. Put on gloves and eye protection and set the heat gun to a moderate setting around 250 to 350 degrees. Once clamped, you're ready to deliver controlled heat into the hosel. You aim focused, even heat at the hosel circumference to soften the epoxy bond. Move the gun continuously so you don't overheat any spot. After about 2 to 4 minutes, test by gently twisting the shaft while holding the head. Use a shaft removal jig or wrap the shaft with a cloth for grip. If it doesn't budge, heat another minute and try again. Make small, steady twists. Sudden force risks cracking the crown. Keep repeating heat, hold, and twist until the head breaks free. You finish by separating the head cleanly and setting both parts on a soft surface. Remove bulk epoxy with a plastic scraper and use a mild solvent or alcohol to dissolve residue. Avoid metal scrapers that scratch the bore. Inspect the hosel, ferrule, and shaft tip for damage, and replace any compromised components before gluing a new head. If the head remains stubborn, reapply heat and a penetrating solvent at the seam. Let it soak briefly. Then repeat gentle twisting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.